morning, everybody. Happy Friday here at UpKeep. I'm Rachel, UpKeep's Associate Product Manager.
And I'm Ryan, I'm the CEO and founder.
We're really excited. It's Release Friday here at UpKeep, so we have a lot of exciting features. First being the ability to delete and edit downtime logs.
All right, so you guys care a lot about downtime. That's one of the big reasons why our customers, why you guys really use UpKeep, is to track and manage downtime. What we've heard from our customers, what we've heard from all of our users of UpKeep is that you guys want that granularity to be able to delete, edit, manage the entire downtime records so that you can better track all of the downtime events at your plant. So now within UpKeep, especially the web application, you can do that. Really, really excited about that and really excited for you guys to test it out.
Yes, very exciting. In addition to that, we also have added the ability to add estimated duration on requests before approving those requests and being converted into work orders. And this is huge for our customers. We heard a lot of feedback that for a lot of our customers that they have a lot of focus on scheduling and timed work. It's really important to be able to capture that estimated duration so they can actually plan out their work orders and delegate them appropriately. So what we've done is we've added that field in that approval process. So instead of the admins having to approve, go in and find the work order and add that data, they can do it all in one fell swoop before approving and keep on moving on to approve those next work order, requests. So we're really excited for you guys to use those features. And in addition to that, we have a lot of UpKeep customers all over the world, and we really do want to make sure that we're supporting everybody. So we've actually extended our support availability across all time zones. So new availability here is we have live chat 24 hours. We usually respond within an average of 5 minutes, and phone availability from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So definitely make sure to reach out to our team with any questions or anything that you need.
Nice.
All right. Have a great weekend, everybody.
Have an awesome weekend.